Tianjin PEDI Sports Technology Company Limited is a company engaged in the design and export sales of Padel tennis court and their accessories products. Our affiliated factory is located in Hengshui City, Hebei Province. It covers an area of over 20,000 square meters and employs about 116 people. The modern production base and standardized workshops have enabled us to achieve large-scale production capacity. Product quality is the cornerstone of a company's survival. From the cutting, polishing, and drilling of glass to the cutting, coating, and welding of steel parts. Each process is carried out by a semi-automatic assembly line combined with manual supervision. Strict quality inspection checkpoints provide an additional guarantee for product quality. In addition, we have a professional design team that can meet customers' customization requirements while striving for self-innovation. They produce new products that meet the evolving demands of the international market. The members of our business team not only possess comprehensive product knowledge, but also have extensive experience in foreign trade. They provide customers with a one-stop service, making every buyer's purchasing experience more relaxed and enjoyable. In terms of qualification certificates, the ones currently held by our products and accessories include REACH, ROSE, CE, and 3C. These fully meet export requirements and strictly follow international quality and safety standards, ensuring that the tennis courts we deliver offer outstanding performance and safety. Our development philosophy is to uphold quality, innovate continuously, and build a trusted sports venue brand in the industry. Craft professional courts. Win every match. We look forward to achieving win-win cooperation with you.